There's no such thing as work-life balance. None!
Just fucking do it. Subscribe now.
Andrew Carnegie had 4 rules to success. Financial motive must prevail. Financial motive must prevail. Financial motive must prevail. Financial motive must prevail. So 1 is financial motive must prevail. Okay. The second thing is laser beam focus. And in my judgment, the third, from my experience with all the big hitters that I've been privileged to be around, is being obsessed. Because being obsessed, OCD is more than laser beam focus. Being obsessed is being sick. And I am still at 74, pretty fucking sick. And my challenge is I have to live vicariously through you now. So I'm doing what your parents fucked up, but you're slow. I'm asked if you started on the 1st of September or whatever month you want to, how long would it take me to do all the things that I tell you that takes 3 to 7 years? 30 to 45 days. 45 days if I fucked everything up. We have guys doing it now in 45, 60, 75 days, and they can't find their ass with both hands tied behind them. But they're making the calls, and they're, all the stuff's on the website. And the webinars are, YouTube, I call them webinars. The YouTube stuff is golden. It's golden. And I don't get paid for my YouTube. I do it for free. I don't advertise whatever the right word is. So I don't get any money. Yeah, I don't do that. Because I don't want somebody's ugly message in the middle of my goddamn YouTube. Some dipshit that, hasn't made any money. Most of the guys have made their money by putting asses on seminar seats and selling product. Product including books.